What is up, guys? We're back, and boy am I glad to see your smiling faces. I got all the metal to fab up the gas tank holder, but that's not where we're headed today. We left a little loose ends the last time when we were working on the exhaust. We never quite got it mounted with hangers or anything, so that's where we're headed today. Should be a nice short little build. Stay tuned. Let's do a quick rundown of what we're doing, then get building. Last time we left off, we were looking at the hangers of this. I want to try and keep the factory look with the way that it's hung as best I can. Problem is, not really a problem, I have a cherry marquee. Cherry marquees, one exhaust. Ragged out interceptors, dual exhaust. So I needed that other bracket. Couldn't find that bracket. However, I got it now. I went to the Ford garage. $15 later, got that bracket. That's going to really help keep that nice clean factory look that I'm going for all the way back with the exhaust. In addition to the fancy factory Ford bracket that I also got these brackets. That's just a generic exhaust hanger, but that'll fit up nicely because I've got the bushings, and if you watched any of my other videos, you know my OCD is strong, so keeping these symmetric all the way back is very important, even though nobody will ever see this. Alright, enough talking. Let's get this 2-minute build started already. Got them all fabbed up. Looks just the way I was hoping. Let's take a look. Alright, that turned out really well. Everything looks good, nice and clean, has a nice factory look, which that's always what I'm striving for, is to make it look like I didn't make it. So, I feel like that was a win. That's pretty much it for this time. Until next time, go build something.